In this playground AI tutorial, I will show you how to create stunning black and white portraits. Just like this. Can you see on the screen? These are beautiful, right? By the way, I'm Vishwa. Let's make it happen. So I have already opened the website playgroundai.com and board. I have done all the basic setting. I'll just show you. If you are new here and you are not aware about all these basic things like how to get into board in the playground AI, so I have uploaded many videos already on this. You can watch my previous video, you will easily understand the process. It's super easy. So filter we are going to use here, obviously like we want to create the black and white now, so that's why black and white we are going to use. So this filter works with two models, playground V1 and the other one is stable diffusion XL. So let's first start with the playground V1. So I have just selected playground V1 and here I will select the filter black and white. I'll just add the prompt here which we are going to use, copy, and I have just pasted the prompt. After that I have already added the negative prompts, so all the prompts I will provide in the description so that you can later use it, or if you want to follow along so you can do it simultaneously as well. Image to image, we are not adding anything, no control traits. Here model we have already selected. After that the image dimensions, portrait 512:768, prompt guidance 8 and the quality and details 50. Just randomize here and sampler Euler ancestral, number of images 4, and just enable the private session. Now everything is done. You also do the same setting if you want to get good output. Now I'm just clicking on generate. The prompt is portrait of a woman raining, going to the office, corporate world. This is our prompt. Just wait for some seconds. Yeah. So can you see? We got this output. Not very good. I'll just click on generate again. So you can see the images we are getting using playground AI's black and white filter are not so photorealistic or realistic, you can say. I'll just open this. The new images are better. Yeah, these are good. These are good images. Can you see? I like this image, even this, and these are black and white, like as we wanted. Time I'll just click on generate again to generate more images. Yeah, we got this, and these are good images. This image and this image. So if you want, you can download, you can restore the face, you can upscale the image. In the last video only, I explained how we can make our image flawless, how can we make our image perfect. So you can follow the same process. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find that the link of that video in the description of this video. Now what I'll do, I'll just change the model. Okay, and let's see the result, stable diffusion XL. So we changed the model. Now I'll just add the filter black and white and now clicking on generate. Now let's see the difference. Yeah, we kept the same settings and we got this output. Can you see the difference between these two? So I found this more realistic. See, these are beautiful results, right? These results are more realistic. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm just regenerating again. So I just added this basic prompt. We will add more prompts and we'll see the results. Yeah, can you see? I really love it. See, this is so beautiful and realistic. Let's change the prompt. I will change the model as well. First show you playground V1 with filter also we need to add again. And now I'm just generating. The prompt is portrait of an Indian woman, smiling, happy, analog style, close up, painted background, soft lighting. Here we added painted background. So because of that we are getting color. See this, we got this kind of outputs. I'll just regenerate with playground V1. Now these are not completely black and white. Results are not great, but okay results. Now I have just changed the model. I'll just add here black and white. Now clicking on generate. We can add reference image as well. If you have any reference image and you want to create the image like that, so we can do that also. We'll see that as well. Yeah, can you see? These are realistic. These are actually looking realistic and better than playground V1. And black and white as well. With the same prompt, we are getting the black and white, and we weren't getting in that playground V1. Now let's try one more different prompt. I'll just show you with stable diffusion now. Stable diffusion XL. Now just clicking on generate. So the prompt is portrait of a woman as a doctor, elegant hairstyle, painted background, soft lighting. I think that painted background is not making sense here. But still, we added their painted background, but as we are using the black and white filter, so because of that, the background is not getting printed here. Like you can see in stable diffusion XL examples, but here it got colored. We got the colored images. Yeah, could you see? These are so beautiful. These are stunning images. See, so realistic, and I really love it. These are not that much like completely black and white, but these are also very good images. So I just added some extra thing like as a doctor, elegant hairstyle. Okay, and we got this really amazing result. Okay, let's see in playground V1 as well. Playground V1, black and white, generate. Can you see? Not that good. There is a huge difference between these two. Stable diffusion XL and this is the playground V1. These are really stunning. I'll just change back to XL, black and white, and I'll just add the reference image. I just have this reference image I'm just adding. Okay, strength I'm saying okay, 20 only. Now clicking on generate. Let's see what kind of result we get. Can you see? These are also so beautiful images. I really love it. We are using black and white, but like as we are referring the image, no? So because of that, we are getting this color. Wow. This is really good. If you want, you can just download it. You can upscale it. I'll just upscale it by 4x. Yeah. Can you see? So flawless. It copied the pose of the reference image, and if you just increase the image strength, so it will copy the hair, then cloth, everything, even face as well if you make it 95. So you can try it out. I have already made a video on this topic, like how we can create the look-alike images, so you can watch my previous videos. Let's try one more prompt. Okay, the different normal prompt we will try now. Just removing this reference image. Now generate. The prompt is 1920 London, vegetable market, crowded, people screaming, highly detailed. So this is completely different prompt we are trying apart from portraits. So let's see what kind of result we get here. So as we are using stable diffusion XL, so we will get the good result. I'm hoping for that. Yeah, we got these pretty results, and these are good. You can try out different prompts and you can let me know in the comment section like how it is working for you, whether you are able to get the good result or not, or if you have any query, so you can just ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to solve it. I'll just change the playground V1, black and white. Okay, and generate. Playground covered the bigger area, okay, than this, but this is detailed through stable diffusion XL. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.